Hi friend, this is Dr. Apur Mehra.
And this is Dr. Govind Rai Garg.
We talk about the year that teaches you clinical science to the core, the final prof. Sir, the approach in the final year.
So this year the most important thing is there are so many subjects you need to cover. So you cannot see anything which has happened before that. So now forget about the anatomy, forget about the pharmacology, everything you forget. Now concentrate on the final year only. So the subjects of final year are already enormous. So these are medicine, surgery, obsgyny, pediatrics, then skin, anesthesia, radiology, psychiatry. So many subjects are there. So you should focus on these subjects now, particularly regarding medicine and surgery. The most important thing is the first thing you should do is go to a senior and get a list of long cases and short cases in medicine and in surgery and mark them in the books. So you need to do these thoroughly first of all.
Right. So as you're coming out of the pre-final year, you have had your education from the preparatory teachers of ENT, Dr. Sarabjit sir, Ophtha, Dr. Shashwat Ray sir, and the phenomenal teacher, Dr. Vivek Jain sir, for the apps that you did in the pre-final year. The main advantage of those teachings will be so that you feel confident entering into this year. As in the previous video, sir had clearly mentioned that try to do at least 2 systems of medicine and 2 systems of surgery during the pre-final year. My suggestion is that these systems also, you should listen to the videos by Dr. Deepak Marwa sir and Dr. Pritesh Singh sir, because once you do that, you have a foundation laid on. We have already notified that when you go to the wards, have an inquisitive nature, also an observant nature of whatever is happening around. But now is the time to have a completion sake. Learn to pair on the subjects. How can you pair it? What I did was I did medicine and pediatrics together. So there are many common things, and you won't have to do repetitions. It's like an integration. Although this is a year where you should never look back, as Sir clearly said. But yes, in the books when you read, there'll be a pathophysiology, there'll be a pharmacology, which will just re-enlighten whatever you have read. So whatever hard work you have done in the past will give you a good force here. If not, you will have enough data in the books to read it. Many people ask me, sir, we did not do pharma so well. Do we need to compensate here before going to internship? Now that is disaster. This is what sir said. Whatever is coming relevant in that subject, try to brush it up. Keep it abreasted. But what is more significant is to make these subjects so strong that when you enter the internship preparing for entrance exams or the clinical science utility as a practical thing, you are very well equipped with the knowledge of these subjects. Subjects, both theory and practical. Because nowadays the days are gone where you will just be asked a one-liner or just a theory question. Now the images, short videos are in the paper. So a student who has not valued these years, it is very difficult for the student to clear the exam. Similarly, if you're doing surgery, why not to combine ortho together? So this is what you should think about. Value time this year. Many people choke at the end because there are big subjects and there are short subjects, and both are there in the exam. So Dharma, anesthesia, radio, psychiatry, ortho are also surrounding the giants called as gyneops, medicine, surgery, peds. So these are the subjects which are there. So sir, you can take us a journey of subject-wise how we should approach it. Sir.
Yes, the most vast subject is medicine, we all know, and it is almost impossible to complete Harrison in 1 year. Maybe even if you are not studying anything else, even then it is very difficult to complete in 12 months. So important thing is get your Harrison marked. As we already discussed, long cases, short cases, they are very important. Mark those in the Harrison. You must read them. And plus the important previous year questions from the entrance exams. So you can mark the important topics in them. So that will make your Harrison around 700 to 800 pages. It should not be more than that. Right. But you should study those 700 to 800 pages minimum 5 to 6 times. So that is very important. So 700 से 800 पेज तो बस घोट लेने हैं. You keep on studying again and again and again. Do not try to study whole of the Harrison. study those important topics again and again. This is one thing.
And the topics are same for the prof in the entrance. They're almost same.
90% is same. Only around some 10% topics are there which are more important for PG entrance than for the prof exams.
Right.
Then in surgery we have Love and Bailey, the excellent book, and you can very easily complete it from first page to last page if you give significant time in a period of around 20 to 25 days. I had done it myself in 15 days, but I assume you can complete maximum in 20-25 days. And it is easy, and you can remember the things in Bailey for long periods. So try, it's not that big book. So you can do Bailey very easily, complete book. Again, do the complete book, but mark the short cases, long cases, and again important topics, and study them many times. So that is important.
In these two subjects, in fact, the apps by Dr. Marwa and Dr. Pritesh will help you like hand in glove.
Definitely.
And whatever are the things which are not to be followed or there's an errata, I'm sure in their lectures they'll be notifying it to you.
Bilkul.
Now the big question. People are scared of Harrison, or if they haven't, are they missing out on something?
Definitely, I will advise that although Dr. Deepak Marwa वो चलते फिलते हरिसन ही तो हैं, so if you have listened to his videos, nothing else is required. But studying a textbook is must, because there are many things which cannot be told in the lectures. But if you study a book once, then some of the things do go directly into the long-term memory. So that's why studying a textbook is very important, and Harrison is the book to go for, because in Harrison not only medicine, you can cover almost all 19 subjects. Plus Harrison, do not think it is a burden. Only important thing is whatever you study in Harrison, study for 5 to 6 times.
Repeated.
अगर 3 बार पढ़ोगे, 4 बार भी पढ़ोगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कभी पढ़ी नहीं है. So that is very important, because every time you study it, you will find something new. Yeah? So that's why marking is very important, that you need to study this much only. So those 700 to 800 pages are very important. You can skip rest of the 2000 pages, but those 700, 800 are very important.
Right. Now, I do agree that it is important to revise multiple times, and especially in a subject like medicine, because once you know medicine, the head start this gives you in entrance exams and in your practical life is immense, is huge.
Huge.
And also, a lot of surgery is covered from Harrison or medicine.
Yes.
There's a big overlap. And the surgery, if I look at surgery, GI and Euro systems, they should be on your fingertips. Similarly, when we come to PEDS, we have a fantastic book by Dr. Ghai. We have lecture by Dr. Minakshi, and then we have the MCQ book that Dr. Minakshi and Dr. Taruna have written. These are a good composition, but always club them with medicine. And the important chapters in pediatrics are
the first 8 to 10 chapters, they are specifically for neonatology and for pediatrics. And after that, the systemic pediatrics, that is almost everything similar to the medicine only.
Right.
And so the systemic pediatrics club it with medicine. Like whenever you study respiratory system from medicine, complete from pediatrics also, 90% will be similar, only 10% specific to the child that you can cover.
Right, and in fact, if you're able to do that, CVS, which is very important
CVS,
chapter, is something which is very, very crucial.
And in fact, CVS, I will rate that it is better than Harrison Pediatrics, Ghai book.
Right, and then comes the subject, gyneops. We have a very phenomenal teacher in gyne, Dr. Prasann Vij, and I think it's worthwhile to listen to the lectures who are crisp, short, not to elaborate, but to the point, what is required, and how to approach the subject, sir.
So again, just like all the subjects, we need to study textbooks, and there are various textbooks. What we used to follow are this DC Datta for obstetrics and Shaw's for gynecology. But whatever book is being followed in your college, I think you should follow same book. Listen to the Dr. Vij's lectures. You will get the important things you must know, because again, obs-gyne is not that big subject that you cannot cover from first page to last page. Harrison is the only book which is very difficult to complete from start to end.
Right.
Rest all the books in our profession we can complete from first to last page. Right. As you are already doing in case of second prof, third prof, and even first prof, you have already done that. So you can do everything, but important thing is only Harrison is the difficult book to complete. So try to complete all the books, textbooks which are being followed in your college, and along with that go to the wards also, see the cases and mark short cases, long cases, and study them many times.
Right. Now we come to the short subjects, sir. Skin. There's a book by Dr. Neena Khanna. Its images comes in the exam. Follow that and listen to the lectures by Dr. Manish Soni. His MCQ book is also phenomenal. Follow that. But trust me, one subject whose images will come everywhere is Dharma.
Dermatology.
Good for it, sir.
Definitely.
Anesthesia.
Anesthesia, Dr. Ajay Jadhav book is very good, but important thing in all these subjects, skin, anesthesia, radiology, psychiatry, orthopedics, the most important is to follow the apps.
Right.
Because this is the time when, like in the professional exam, there will be one exam medicine. In medicine only, all these medicinal subjects like dermatology, psychiatry, all these will be covered, and you will feel that कि इसको करने की तो ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, 2 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आएगा, छोड़ देते हैं. You can leave at this point, but you will suffer later on for PG entrance. Right. So it is important. Obviously, you need to do the previous 10 years papers, in which hardly you will find maybe around 10 or 12 questions in last 10 years from dermatology, from any subject. But doing only those 10 questions will not be enough. So most important is to listen to the app. So you will get a basic background that these things you should know, and from those things must be studied from the textbook. If you are not able to complete whole textbook, at least do those things from the textbooks.
Right. So what I believe is, with the bigger subjects, don't ignore the shorter subjects.
Yes.
This in turn will decrease your load also in the final exam and also in the entrance exam. Be also ready with the practicals in the wards. Learn to question and ask, and see and observe the common things. My suggestion is this is also the time where you should make a small diary where you can note down the important tables, flowcharts, whatever are being asked more commonly in the MCQs. And this is also the time when, if the AIIMS exams occurs, grab the book and see what questions came. It's a time to get aware with the entrance exam. You know, it's like the practice session. It's like a real dress rehearsal. And get in the groove and start giving some grand test once in a while to have a knack of the things what you're going to face the next 2 years.
So basically, for all the subjects of final prof, I will advise that first listen to video. Like in medicine, you are wanting to do CVS. First, quickly listen to the CVS videos by Dr. Marva. Then go to the Harrison. Start studying, or you have already, I hope you have already marked those important questions and the topics you have already marked. So quickly go through the Harrison CVS part, and after that then you can solve the MCQs also side by side. And plus, now whenever you go to ward, you see some case of CVS, maybe atrial fibrillation, maybe any case, then reinforce from the textbook again, so that the thing go into long-term memory.
Right.
So do it for all the subjects.
Right. But remember one thing, what Sir has said, as more and more clinical things are coming, be aware of the common things, because common things are always asked. So prepare your final year well, because if you do that, half the battle is won. This is Dr. Apoor Mehra. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and all the best, Dr. Govind Rehgar.